Hello and welcome students. So I am going to do for you probability next part. Now we will going to learn a new formula. So, how will we do this formula? Probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersect B. This is, I hope it is a new term for you. What is A union B or A intersect B? Now, in smaller classes, in set that chapters, or maybe in class 11 also set chapter is there, you have learned about Venn diagram. So, I am going to do this one. Let's consider this is A set, this one is B set, and totally we consider as an universal set. It is called as U, a sample space U. So here the terms are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Clear? Now we will find out sample space, that is universal set, or here you can write as universal set. How many is there? Whatever is inside this box, inside this square box, this is called as universal set. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are all called as elements of which one? Universal set, or we can call it as a sample space. Now in A, what are the elements are there? In A, B, C, D, these four elements are there. Now, in B set, what are the elements are there? D, E, F, G. These are the elements present in B. Now, we will find out intersect. Intersect means what are the elements are present in A intersect B. That means common element which is present in A as well as in B. From the diagram you can see D is the element which is present in A as well as is present in B. Moreover, you can see from here also that D is the common term, so you can write D. Now A union B. A union B. A union B means which is present in between A and B. In this part, what are the elements present? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are the elements present. So here how many numbers of elements? Here the numbers of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements are there. Here 4 elements are there. Here also 4 elements. Here 1 element. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements are there. Now what is probability of A? Last class we will learn what is probability of A. The total elements in A divided by the overall. Correct. That means 4 divided by 8. Then what is the probability of B? The probability of B is equal to again 4 by 8. Probability of A intersect B. Intersect B means how many elements are there? 1. So 1 by 8. And probability of A union B, how much? 7 by 8. Now if I want to use this formula, this is by previous method that I told in smaller classes how we learn. Now if you use this formula, what is P of A union B? There is a formula is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. That means 4 by 8 plus 4 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Now if you can find there, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7. So see the value is same. That means by using this formula now we can find out directly. We no need to go for older formula. Clear? So now we are going to see how to solve one question. Clear? Now let's see the question. In a single dice thrown of 2 dice, correct? Find the probability of getting a total of 9 or 11. That means 2 dice simultaneously will throw, and you will see that the sum of the 2 dice whatever is occurred, whether it is 9 or 11. Clear? We are going to find that by using the formula. Now let A be the event for 9. Let A be the event for 9. So what are the possibilities? What is the total sample space? I told last day, if two dice are thrown together, the total sample space how much? 36. 6 square 36, not correct? Now if two dice is thrown, so what are the possible that number if we add we will get 9. For example, A is the event of 9, so it is possible 3, 6, that is one, 6, 3, that is one case, 4, 5 and 5, 4. So if A be the event of getting 9, so how many you are getting? Here you are getting 4. Next, if B be the event of getting 11, so what are the number if you add you will get 11, that means possible is 5, 6 or 6, 5. We will not able to get, there is the two event only, there is two only possibility, 5, 6 and 6, 5. Clear? So the question is, what is the possible that we will get, which one? 9 or 11. Here or means plus, okay. What is the possible? So again you need to find out A intersect B. Is there any common event? Is there any common event is there? You can see here there is no common event. There is not repeating. That means if there is no common event, that means we will write phi on null set. That is called as null set. Their value is 0. Now if you want to find the event, that means P of A union B. What is the formula? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. That means P of A. What is the P of A? A is how much? 4. Total number is 36. That means 4 by 36 plus here. What are the possibilities? 2. That means 2 by 36 minus here A intersect B is 0. 0 by 36. That means we will get 4 plus 2, 6 by 36. 1 by 6, that is your answer. The probability of getting 9 or 11. Clear? So in this way, the similar numerical you have to solve in home. It is there in your book, in your exercise. I will also help you. If you need any help, you just call me. Now we will move towards condition probability. Condition probability, that means your condition will be given here. For example, see the formula. This is the formula we are going to use. Sometimes we read P A by B or P B by A. Clear? The formula is P A by B equal to P of A intersect B divided by probability of B. So see the formula, you can understand that here whichever will be the below one, that will write here. So it is easy way to remember. Okay. Now in mathematical term you will read this part. How will you read this one? The probability of getting A when B is already occurred. Okay. Now can you tell what will be this one? P of B by A. How do you write this one? So this one will read how? Probability of getting B when A is already occurred. So what is the formula here? Here also P of A intersect B. So here also you write P of A intersect B, or you can write B intersect A. Same meanings, same to same. See there, here is below B, so B here came. Now if here is A in below, we will write probability of A. By using these two formula, we are going to use, or we are going to solve these two numerical. There is simple numerical, 3 marks is to or 2 marks is to come. We will see that one. First of all, simple one we will do, then we will move towards the difficult one. So what is this? Probability of getting A when B is already occurred equal to probability of A intersect B divided by which one? Probability of B. Same to same, probability of B when A is already occurred and probability of A intersect B divided by probability of A. Correct. Now let's solve this one. Let's solve this one by using this formula. How we are going to solve? Correct. So see in the first question, what was given there in the first question? They given probability of A, they given probability of B, they given probability of A intersect B given. They told to find probability of A by B. So first one, let's find out probability of A by B. So how will you find out? The formula is probability of A intersect B divided by probability of A. That is very simple. We will use the value probability of A intersect B value already given 0.2, and then probability of A also, sorry, this one probability of B. So probability of B will also given 0.4. We will cut, we will find out 1 by 2. Remember, as I told before, the value will be always in between 0 and 1. 0 is possible, 1 possible, but more than 1 also not possible, less than 0 also not possible. Same to same, if you want to find probability of B by A, how we are going to find probability of A intersect B divided by probability of A. That means the value is probability of A, this one is 0.2, here the value given, sorry, this one the value given 3, this one value given 3. If you cut point, the answer will become 2 by 3. Here the value is 0.2 by 0.4. By cutting, the answer will become 1 by 2. Clear? It's very easy. You can practice in home. It's simple one to remember the formula. There is more conditions are there. It will come. Correct? Now move to the second problem. That is given P of A given, P of B given. But the difference between two question is they given here intersect. P of A intersect B directly, but they given here P of A union B. Clear? So how you are going to find? We need A intersect B. We don't need A union B. So how you are going to find? We use the previous formula that I have shown you. The previous one. What formula? What formula is there? Number two. Formula is, we know that P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersect B. This formula we are going to do. So this value is given how much? 1 by 2. P of A how much? 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 minus P of A intersect B. Now if you exchange, P of A intersect B will come here 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3, it will come this side, minus 1 by 2. If you take LCM, 5, 3, 2, what is the LCM? 5, 3, 2, what is the LCM? What? 30. 30 is the LCM, we will get here 6 to the 12 plus 10 minus 15. That means 22 minus 15 is 7 by 30. The value is 7 by 30. So P of A intersect B we found it here. P of A intersect B we found it 7 by 30. Now we will use the previous formula. We can solve it. Clear? The values are 7 by 30 and B is 1 by 3, then you will get 7 by 10. Same to same, P of below we will get 2 by 5. That means if you cut this one, you will get 6 to that, it will come down, 6 to the 12, it will 7 by 12. So this is your answer. Clear? Understood?